Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on wood chipper of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Super Handy Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. The Super Handy Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher is a powerful and versatile outdoor equipment designed for heavy-duty wood processing tasks. With its ultra-heavy-duty 7 HP engine, this machine is built to handle a variety of wood materials efficiently. Its 3-in-1 multi-functionality allows it to operate as a wood chipper, shredder, and mulcher, providing users with a comprehensive solution for managing yard waste and organic debris. Any notable feature of the Super Handy Wood Chipper is its impressive 3-inch maximum capacity, enabling it to process branches and other wood materials of significant size. This capability makes it suitable for a range of applications, including landscaping, gardening, and property maintenance. The powerful 7 HP engine ensures reliable performance, making quick work of wood chipping and shredding tasks. The machine's robust construction and heavy-duty materials contribute to its durability and long-term reliability in demanding outdoor conditions. In summary, tool for individuals and professionals seeking an efficient solution for processing wood waste. Its combination of power, versatility, and durability makes it a valuable asset for anyone involved in outdoor wood processing. Product 2: Product name Built Hardwood Chipper. The Built Hardwood Chipper is a robust and versatile outdoor power tool designed for efficient wood chipping, shredding, and mulching. Powered by a potent 7.5 HP 224cc gas engine, this wood chipper is capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. Its heavy-duty construction and 3-in-1 multi-functionality make it a reliable solution for individuals engaged in landscaping, gardening, or other outdoor projects. With a maximum wood diameter capacity of 3 inches, the Built Hardwood Chipper can effectively process branches, twigs, and other yard debris. The machine's powerful shredding mechanism ensures efficient reduction of wood waste, turning it into valuable mulch that can be used for landscaping or composting. This not only helps in waste management, but also contributes to sustainable gardening practices. The inclusion of a collection bag adds to the convenience, allowing users to gather the shredded material neatly and facilitating it from electrical outlets, making it suitable for use in various outdoor settings. Overall, the Built Hardwood Chipper stands out as a reliable and powerful solution for homeowners, gardeners, and landscaping professionals seeking a versatile and efficient tool for wood chipping and mulch. Product 3: Product name Great Circlusa Mini Wood Chipper. The Great Circlusa Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher is a powerful and efficient outdoor equipment designed to handle wood debris with ease. Powered by a robust 7 HP gas engine, this mini wood chipper is capable of processing wood with a maximum diameter of 3 inches, making it a versatile tool for homeowners and professionals alike. The machine is EPA CARB certified, ensuring compliance with environmental standards. Any notable feature of the Great Circlusa Mini Wood Chipper is its contribution to fire prevention and the creation of fire breaks. By efficiently breaking down wood waste into smaller mulch, it aids in reducing the risk of wildfires and assists in building fire breaks, which are crucial for managing and containing wildfires. This capability makes it an essential tool for individuals living in fire-prone areas, where maintaining a defensible space is paramount. The ultra-duty construction of the wood chipper ensures durability and longevity, allowing it to withstand the rigors of regular use. To manage garden waste or a professional involved in landscaping or forestry, the Great Circlusa Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher offers a reliable and powerful solution. Product 4: Product name Earthquake Chipper Shredder. The Earthquake Chipper Shredder K33 33964 is a powerful and robust outdoor equipment designed for heavy-duty wood chipping and shredding tasks. This machine is equipped with a formidable 301cc 4-cycle Viper engine, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. With a 5-year warranty, users can have confidence in the durability and longevity of the chipper shredder. Any notable feature of the Earthquake Chipper Shredder is its dock and lock debris bag, which facilitates convenient disposal of shredded materials. This design element enhances user convenience and streamlines the cleanup process. The chipper shredder is capable of handling wood pieces with a maximum diameter of 3 inches, making it suitable for a variety of yard waste and landscaping debris. The striking red color of the chipper shredder not only adds an aesthetic appeal, but also enhances visibility and safety during operation. With its heavy-duty construction and powerful engine, the earthquake chipper shredder is challenging tasks with ease, making it a valuable tool for homeowners and landscaping professionals alike. Whether it's clearing fallen branches, pruning waste, or other yard debris, this chipper shredder offers a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining a tidy outdoor space. Product 5. Product name: FKT C30 Wood Chipper. The FKT C30 Wood Chipper is a robust and efficient wood chipping, shredding, and mulching machine designed for heavy-duty use. Powered by a reliable 7 HP 212cc heavy-duty rotor engine, this gas-powered wood chipper is equipped to handle a variety of wood materials with ease. Its substantial power ensures efficient processing of wood debris, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. Any notable feature of the FKT C30 is its impressive 3-inch maximum wood diameter capacity, allowing it to tackle larger branches and limbs. The machine's design includes a heavy-duty rotor that enhances its cutting and chipping capabilities, contributing to its overall efficiency. With a 21 reduction ratio, the FKT C30 is capable of significantly reducing the volume of wood waste, producing finely shredded and mulched material. This high reduction ratio is beneficial for those looking to manage their garden or yard waste more effectively. The gas-powered applications without being restricted by power cords. This makes it a versatile tool for outdoor projects, including landscaping, gardening, and property maintenance. In summary, the FKT C30 Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher stands out for its powerful engine, substantial wood diameter capacity, and efficient reduction.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.